Welcome to our channel where we help you understand the complex world of finance. In this video, we will be discussing how to trade stocks online, a step-by-step guide. Trading stocks online has become increasingly popular over the years, and with the rise of technology, it has become easier than ever to start trading stocks from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to trade stocks online. Choose an online broker. The first step in trading stocks online is to choose an online broker. There are many online brokers to choose from, so it's important to do your research to find one that best suits your needs. Look for brokers that have low fees, a user-friendly platform, and a good reputation. Open a brokerage account. Once you've chosen an online broker, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This typically involves filling out an online application and providing personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Fund your account. After you've opened a brokerage account, you'll need to fund it. Most online brokers allow you to fund your account through a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. Be sure to check the fees associated with each funding method. Research stocks. Before you start trading stocks, it's important to do your research. Look for stocks that have a history of strong performance, as well as a solid financial standing. You can use online tools, such as stock screeners and financial news websites, to help you with your research. Place an order. Once you've found a stock you want to buy, you'll need to place an order. This can typically be done through your online brokerage account. Be sure to select the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Monitor your portfolio. After you've purchased a stock, it's important to monitor your portfolio. Keep an eye on the stock's performance and be prepared to sell if the stock begins to underperform. So, that's how to trade stocks online, a step-by-step guide. Remember, trading stocks can be risky, and it's important to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. By choosing an online broker, opening a brokerage account, funding your account, researching stocks, placing an order, and monitoring your portfolio, you can start trading stocks online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.